and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Chicago Pneumatic CP89 series digital torque wrenches that offer plus or minus 2% accuracy with a robust gear system that's accurate up to 25,000 cycles. Next is the M18 top-off charger and power supply from Milwaukee Tool. This is a portable solution for charging Milwaukee Tool M18 batteries and features advanced USB-C PD technology for faster headlamps, phones, tablets, and laptop charging. Our third tool is the Top Ton V1200 Air Jumpstarter and Tire Inflator, which features a 10,000 mAh battery that can jumpstart 12-volt cars, motorcycles, and heavy-duty machinery with up to 6-liter gasoline or 4.5-liter diesel engines. Next is the Grip Edge Tools 3/8-inch drive RPT metric and SAE long ball hex driver sets, which feature round neck prevention technology that provides up to 50% more torque on new fasteners compared to standard tools. Our final tool is a Snap-on extra long neck high torque ratchet, which features a 13-inch neck that provides an additional 7 inches of reach compared to standard extended ratchets. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Stay tuned for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.